Hello, my friends. In this lesson, we'll talk about another concept for using the blues scales. So far, we've learned about two major blues scales and how to extend each one of them. Today, we'll see some examples of how phrases of these two scales can be mixed in a solo. In my opinion, it produces a different effect than just extending one of them with a notch of the other. In this framework, you establish a blues texture at first using one major scale and later introduce another color with a phrase from the other. Sometimes this switch is done over a chord change to emphasize the harmonic progression. Here is an example where a majoris 4/7 phrase is played over the tonic chord, and right after that, a majoris 2/6 phrase is played over the 4 chord. In the following examples, the reverse is happening. There is a majoris 2/6 phrase over the tonic chord, and then a majoris 4/7 over the 4 chord. Of course, this scale switching can be made elsewhere too. For example, from the 4 chord back to the tonic. Or from the 5 chord back to the tonic. You can even switch during a chord without following the changes. Now, I'll improvise over 12-bar blues to demonstrate how that switching from one scale to another sounds. As always, you can download the backing track from the link in the description below. A more advanced concept for making new blues textures is to create new pentatonic scales by mixing notes of the two major scales. For example, you can replace the 7th degree of the major is 4/7 with the 6th degree of the major is 2/6. This scale sounds like this. Or maybe you can combine the 2nd and 3rd degree of the major is 2/6 with the 4th and 7th degree of the major is 4/7. Generally speaking, any combination of notes can give a new scale with a distinct color, so experiment freely. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next episode where we'll talk about the Minoris blues scale. Keep in touch!